Well, good afternoon, everybody. It is August 15th, 2022. I am in the middle of Little Rock and had a couple hours, so I was going to go out and do some fishing just at a little creek that runs here through town. So starting off with a little drop shot. Let's get after it, see what we can get. So let's see. This place has just changed so much since I was here a couple weeks ago. We had a couple really big storms come through and it is totally altered this place. That being said, I am not being particularly effective at fishing and I'm not trying to blame it on anything, but it's just crazy to me how much this little creek has changed in a couple of weeks. And then look over here, this is just a bog. I don't know, worth it? Not worth it. Hopefully I don't lose this thing. Oh, wow. That's a fish. Okay, so yes, definitely worth it. Catfish? What is it? No, it's a little bass. Look at that. That was crazy. Wow, you're fat. Thank you for biting. Okay, finally got something. Good. Jeez almighty. We're gonna switch over to a little June bug. Colored yum dinger, one of the four, probably now like 3 3/4 inch yum dingers, and see if we can't get something to bite on there. But hopefully this will kind of start turning things around for us. A little precarious up on this log, but we'll see. Oh, that's a bass, I think. Yep. All right, another one. Good. Let's get you in here. Thank you. Cool. Yo. Okay, good. Can't believe I got that. Okay. Boy, I'm so glad I got a couple casts into here. I really need to catch something. It is a tire, not a snake. Nope. Oh, that is a fish. What is it? Gotta be a brim of something, some sort. What do we got? Oh, no, little tiny bass. Cool. Let's see. Hard picking today, so we're gonna get a little release on you too, okay? Nasty. It's just stagnant. Oh! What is it? What is it? I don't know. Wow. Okay, that is exciting. That's a good fish. Wow, awesome. That was exciting. Boy, I was not expecting that. Here we go. Look at that guy. He's bleeding a little bit. Come on, take it. Oh, that's like a bluegill. That one got it though. That's, how cool is that? Yep. Oh, he came off. That was so cool though. Darn it. Come on. This is a strong fish. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Gosh, you're a good looking fish. Thank you. I know. We'll get you back in there. I'm like your friend who took off on me. I'm not gonna name any names, but not cool. Okay. All right, 3.75 inch Yum Dinger. Keep going. They all run right at you. Man, they're so strong. I mean, just, these fish aren't that big, but man alive. No, 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 no. Oh. Yeah, you and I have a photo. Boy, he's angry. He's biting. Look at that pretty fish. Thank you. He's still pissed. Rawr. I mean, if this is it, that's still been freaking amazing. Thank goodness I made it all the way back in here. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Good. Yep. Can't believe. Oh, he came off. Did that come all the way off? Just the... Got my worm. That's the same one, is it? I saw you shake that off. No, no, you spit out the other one that you ate. Man, you would think that you would learn. Golly, good fish. Here. Ah, angry fish. Yeah, buddy. Thank you. I'm got you, man. You're not going anywhere. I think this is my last Yum Dinger in this color, and then really, I hate to cut it short, but at that point I'm gonna need to go. I could stay here all day, but I cannot. Starting to head home, but I'm loving seeing all these old trees, man. It is so pretty. This is right in the middle of Little Rock too. That's the crazy thing about it. So the further upstream you go, the less pollution there is. You start out, it's really nasty. It gets better as you go on. And man, you get to that spot and there are just fish for days. Whew, okay, so that was a lot of fun. Started off very frustrated. You know, so I made it about 4 miles today. up and back. It was hot. It was 100 degrees outside. The water was really nice, like 81, 82 degrees. But I started off thinking I was going to get a bunch of stuff on the drop shot, immediately ran into problems again. And so switched over to a Hellgrammite, really didn't get very far with that. And then switched over to a June bug 4-inch Yum Dinger. But that really got it done for me. I caught a lot of fish on that, really kind of saved the day for me. So I was thinking that a lot of days are going to be like this. It's like, if I hurry up and get to where I'm wanting to go, if it's not late enough, is the bike going to be on? Is it just because I'm getting there right at the right time? Who knows? But it's worth it to kind of go through, explore, suffer for those couple of hours, and then really try to figure out what the fish are wanting, what they're biting on, and everything. And then just kind of going from there. But I really had a good time today. Get out there, do some adventuring for yourself. I mean, hop on Google Maps, find a creek, Maps. I don't know what Google Maps is, but hop on Google Maps and try to find a creek that looks good in your area, and then get out there, have some fun. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate you. Be safe, take care, bye-bye now.